guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss about Nodemon and what is Nodemon and how it will work. So guys, we are here to learn Node.js simple and easy way. Please subscribe my channel. So guys, let's start the coding. Okay, so in my last video we have seen that we can run how we can run a Node.js application. Okay, so we can run JavaScript program here. In that we have created the app.js file in my last video. And yes guys, one thing we have noticed actually, each time when you start the server and you start the node, you just press node app.js, we are getting the output. But if you do change anything in the file, so the server is not start automatically, right? So for that we are using we have to use Nodemon. So for that we have to know what is Nodemon. So yeah, let's cover this point first guys. Before we start with Nodemon, we have to know something about what is Nodemon. Okay, so what is Nodemon? Nodemon is a command line tool. Okay, this is a tool, okay, which will help us to for speedy development of Node.js application. So by using Nodemon we can develop the application faster than yeah. Okay, so how we can speed up the process we'll see as well. So it monitor your project directory and automatically restart your node application. Guys, how the project development will be faster, when we do any changes in the program, we have to restart the server again and again. But okay, so get rid from this situation. npm provide nodemon package. So nodemon will do one thing, that it will monitor your project directory and automatically restart your node application. So we don't have to restart again and again our server. It will just, whenever it will detect any changes, it will just restart the application automatically. We don't have to restart. So we will see that part. It's a very amazing thing actually. Okay, it's detect any changes, right? It's detect any changes automatically. So this means you do not have to restart or stop your application in order for in order for your changes to take effect. Okay, so yeah, I have already said. And the command is npm install -g nodemon. So -g means global, as we already discussed. Okay, so it will install the nodemon globally. Run any JavaScript file using nodemon command. So for that we have to use this command only, nodemon app.js. So after that, right now we are using node app.js, right? But after install nodemon we will use this command only. So let's do it guys. For that we have to install npm install -g nodemon. Okay, so it will install the nodemon globally. So I'm going to my current project folder. Just type cmd in the path section, then we have to do npm install -g nodemon. So we are going to install nodemon globally. Okay, so npm package, it is there, and enter, just enter it. Okay, let's wait. So nodemon package is going to install. It's a very small package, right? So yeah, we are done. 3 packages are looking for funding. Yeah, so it means nodemon packages is there. How we can check nodemon is installed or not in our package? For that we have to go to just package manager, package.json, and okay, and so guys, nodemon we are not able to see here in the under the dependencies section, because we have installed the nodemon globally. So it will not install your project, actually it will install your system, right? So for that, what we'll do now, we'll just run this project by using nodemon. For that, just close this command prompt. Okay, here only earlier we have used node app.js, right? So now we are going to use node mon. Just press enter. Yeah, our nodemon server has been started. As you can see, it is not stopped, it's looking for the changes, right? So it's very interesting topic right now. So we'll do one thing, just go to our project, and I'm going to just cut this one. Okay, and just when I press save button, it's going to give me the output of some, right? Let's do one more thing. Let me show you clearly. So I'm just going to save this again. This file I'm going to save. Okay, when I saved it, nodemon exists. Yes, it's automatically restarting, right? We don't have to restart the file. So whenever I'm pressing the save button, it's just restart the server automatically. I'm just pressing Ctrl S, right? Yeah, here only I'm pressing Ctrl S, and it's restarting the server again and again automatically. So using this nodemon package, our development will be very fast, and every developer is using npm, actually nodejs, sorry, nodemon. Yeah, So you should also know about the, as a beginner, if you know about Nodemon, it's very used thing actually. So yeah, we should also use Nodemon, and you should. So guys, I just have created division function here. Okay, a new function, and let's try to run it. When I save this, let's see. Yeah, the division is there, right? So I didn't change here as well, so let me save it again. Yeah, we can see the division value. So it's as we can see, it's restarting the server automatically. So that's all guys. Thank you. We will learn another topic in our next video. Thank you guys.